Hello and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and a review of the jewelry brand MSBLUE. So if you guys haven't heard of MSBLUE Jewelry, which honestly, I had not before they reached out to me, so thank you MSBLUE for reaching out and being so sweet and gifting me some of these jewelry pieces. The whole inspiration behind the brand is that jewelry should be affordable, beautiful, and conscious. So they do focus on moissanite jewelry, which is pretty much an ethically sourced diamond substitute, which is still just as beautiful and shiny as a real diamond, but also much more affordable, so kind of a win-win, ethically sourced and affordable. They also have a lot of really beautiful lab-grown gemstones, so in today's video I'll be showing you guys some of their moonstone and emerald jewelry, which, spoiler alert, is so cute. So before we get into the unboxing and all that good stuff, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every Thursday and Saturday, and yeah, let's get into the unboxing. Alright, I'll be honest, I might have already opened this, but I repackaged it so I could unbox it properly for you guys. But when I got it in the mail, I was so excited. I just like ripped it open and looked at everything. But yeah, here it is in the box. Just pretend I never opened it. So all of the pieces come in these beautiful blue little MSBLUE boxes, which is so cute, and all of the boxes also have the little monogrammed M on it. I don't know if you can see it on camera. There are like little M's on the box. Very cute. Feels very luxurious. And then before I open them up, we got more stuff in the box. So I also got this little, I guess this little like, I want to call it a rag, but it's not a rag. It's like a jewelry cleaner. You can buff it out and make it sparkle and shine. And then also a little thank you card. Thank you, look forward to meeting you again at MSBLUE. And then this is just more of a background on the brand, which is really nice. And then, ooh, it came also with a ring sizer. So if you want to order any more of their jewelry, you can use this to size your rings, which is just really helpful in general to have. And then, ooh, a little pouch to store your jewelry in that's also MSBLUE branded. MSBLUE Fine Jewelry. I really like that. I will be using this. So cute. And then even though I bought it online, they're a fully online store, I still did get a little bag, which I actually really like because I have this dream one day in my closet to display shopping bags. Is that weird? And this one is so cute and pretty, so this one's making it on the shelf for sure. But yeah, a little MSBLUE jewelry bag. MSBLUE Fine Jewelry New York, and this also has kind of like embossed M's on it. I wonder if you can see it better on the bag. So it totally matches the boxes that these come in. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that is everything that was in the box. So just pretend I didn't open it. Okay, so now moving into the actual jewelry in the boxes. I'm going to start with this one. So let's just do a little unboxing moment. Oh, here it is. And then there's a box within the box. Just like box inception. So here is the box in the box, and this is like plasticky, very nice. And then you can just go and open it up, and oh, I'm like, there's nothing in it. It's up here. So here it is in its little plastic bag. I'll give you guys like a full proper reveal. So this is actually part of their engagement ring line, but obviously I already have a wedding ring, but I just thought it was so beautiful that I wanted it. So here is the box. You open it up. There she is. Seriously, so beautiful. Like, wow, so stunning. Yeah, the quality on this is so nice. So this is their 2.35 carat emerald stone engagement ring with hidden halo and side diamonds. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I took more like B-roll shots of this in the sunlight because I don't know why, I feel like natural sun dripping in just makes jewelry look so beautiful. So I'll insert some clips now. But yeah, this is literally so pretty, so stunning. I also feel like, again, as an engagement ring, this is gorgeous. But also I would personally wear it more as a ring, like a cocktail ring or something to a formal event, and just have this beautiful emerald with the diamonds around it. I think it just looks so classy and so nice, especially with the sizing of it, 2.35 carats. It's not too oversized where it looks almost costumey, but it's not too small where you can't really see the gemstone and the cuts and all of the beauty of it. So I feel like the size of this gemstone is absolutely perfect. But yeah, this is just such a beautiful ring. I was so impressed when I first opened it off camera, unfortunately. I was so obsessed with it immediately. You can see it really just pops. Yeah, this one is just so beautiful. So obsessed with it already. I cannot wait to wear it to a formal event, dinner, anywhere. What's also really cool is MSBLUE does free engraving as well. So if you wanted to customize this, put a date on it, your initials on it, or something like that, you can also do that on their jewelry, which is so cool. I personally did not, but if this was like an engagement ring, you could put your date of engagement on it, which I think is such a cute idea. But yeah, honestly, this is so beautiful and just a great piece of luxury jewelry to add to your collection. All right, I'm keeping this on because it is like so cute and I'm obsessed. So moving on to the next box to unbox, we've got another little MSBLUE box. Here we go. And this one has, a blue box in the box. So I'll go ahead and take that out. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's like a little mini-sized box. Kind of reminds me of that children's game where you keep unboxing things and there's like a smaller box within each box. But yeah, so here's like the little smaller box in there. Super cute. All right, so here again is a little mini box, and then go ahead and open that up. And here they are. These are gonna be little earrings. So here are these beautiful Moonstone earrings. These are also like in a little bag, That's funny. Go ahead and take these out. The process of unboxing is such a thing, such a process. Okay, here we go. So here are these beautiful Moonstone earrings. They are so pretty, such great quality. Again, here, let me put them in the actual box minus the plastic so you can really see how they'd be unboxed, I guess, properly. Let's see, so I'll do this again. Here we go, MSBLUE, and ta-da! The earrings, so pretty. Moonstone. And if you guys don't know about Moonstone, honestly, I'm not a big like rock stone crystal person, but it's nice on their website. They do give a little bit of a description on the meaning of Moonstone. So let me just pull that up real quick. All right, so Moonstone is June's birthstone. It's said that a moonstone is a gemstone scattered from the moon to the world. It is a soft light blue iridescence. It brings happiness and good luck to people. That's great. I'll take luck. Love that. And happiness. Moonstone is also known as the love stone. So it could be a good like engagement stone, if you want to throw that in there, which has a special meaning for lovers and is the best gift for someone you love. Cute. Okay. So love that. Love the little description of the moonstone. So a lot of nice meaning behind a moonstone. It stands for love, happiness, luck. So these ones are set a white sapphire halo around them. And these ones are honestly so stunning. I'll show you guys them on, just a try on haul for jewelry. And yeah, that is so stinking cute. Let's do the other one. I love the size of them, that they're not too small, that you can't see them, but not, again, too big. They're just the perfect kind of dainty, elegant size. I feel like earrings are a great way to kind of make your face pop. Does that make sense? Just kind of like bring the focus up here. I don't know, does anyone else feel that way? Like bright earrings like this, I feel like are very flattering to your face. So here's that one. All right, so I just put my hair like behind my ears so you can really see them pop. But yeah, these are seriously so pretty, so beautiful. And the best part is this actually comes as part of a set. So let's open up the last piece that goes with it. The last box here. Wow. We've got another mini box in our box. Go and open that up. And here is our last piece. Which, can you guess what it is? Leave a comment right now. Guess what it is. I think you can tell. Let's open this up. Another bag within a bag. It's just very well wrapped. And here it is. This is seriously so beautiful. So this is the matching Moonstone necklace, again set with a white sapphire halo. So stunning. Oh, cute. The little tag on the top of it has a little M, as you can see. So cute. Love the little details on it. And this necklace is so pretty. I love how obviously it matches the earrings perfectly. Let me just go ahead and put it on so you guys can see where it falls. There are 3 options on here. So if you're wearing it like in a stack, you can definitely choose which length you want it at. I'll show you guys all 3. Why not? So let me show you guys the first one. Okay, so this is where it falls at the longest length, which I think is a nice length. I don't like when necklaces are too long and they kind of like get down in like weird parts of your shirt. So I feel like this is honestly the perfect length for me. So I think I would probably wear it at this longest length, but I'll show you guys the other 2 lengths as well. All right, so this is the middle notch, and honestly, again, I think this is at a good spot. Like, it lays nicely. And now for the shortest one. All right, so this is the shortest length this comes in, and honestly, I feel like all 3 are pretty cute. I really do just generally like the idea that there is some adjustability and you can really incorporate it well into necklace stacking, which I feel like right now is such a trendy look and looks really cute. So yeah, this definitely can fit well into the rest of your jewelry collection, your necklace stacks. I also love the size of the gemstone. I think it is so perfect. It's still pretty big where you can actually like see it when you're wearing it. It's not super tiny, not even there. I think the halo around it also helps as well, and it's just so shiny and cute and pretty. And with all the meaning behind Moonstone, this would be obviously a perfect gift for somebody you care about. Also, with it being a set, I feel like that makes it a great gift as well, because they kind of get 2 pieces together that they know will match. So I'm really loving this. Loving all of it, honestly. Sold. Completely sold. But yeah, this was me giving you guys an unboxing review of MSBLUE Fine Jewelry. Honestly, I feel like this brand is so great. I love their focus on being ethical, having ethically sourced gemstones, lab diamonds, moissanite, all that good stuff. Also, I feel like their designs are just so elegant and timeless, especially with all of the engagement rings, the jewelry. I didn't show you guys any bracelets, but they have really beautiful bracelets as well online. And again, thank you MSBLUE for sending me these beautiful jewelry pieces. They are seriously so stunning. If you guys want to check them out yourselves, I do have everything linked down below, so check it out. Check out the links. They have so much more than what I was able to show you guys today, so definitely worth checking out. I also have a discount code for you guys, so you can use discount code TARA10. You'll save 10%. And yeah, be sure to leave a comment down below which item of jewelry was your favorite, or maybe which item of jewelry do you generally like wearing the most? Into rings? Do you like earrings? You big necklace guy? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious because I've always been kind of more of a ring gal. I really like wearing rings, so that's why I definitely had to pick out a ring and necklaces. But I'm curious, what do you guys like wearing? Also, if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.